disgusting. Hey y'all, come spend a productive evening with me as I get ready to go back to school. This was over the Christmas break and I thought it would be fun to show you how I kind of get ready to start my week. So first, baby, I had to get rid of that laundry. It was time. I was actually doing pretty good over the break, keeping up with it, but I like to start my week with no laundry, 0 clothes in the hamper, so that had to get taken care of right away. And then it was time to take an Uber over to my fave shop. And of course I had to stop by and get some flowers because gorgeous girls deserve flowers. I already knew one thing about me is when I go to the grocery store, baby, I have a plan. I have a list. I have the meals that I am going to cook. That is one thing about me that I am very, very organized, low-key, a little bit anal about. So I am just here getting everything I need for my meal since I'm a meal prep girly. And I was looking at the sweets. I was like, dang, I kind of got a sweet tooth. I want something sweet. I bought this, very disappointed, which you'll see later in the vlog. It was not giving what it's supposed to give. I thought it was going to be fire, but it wasn't. Then it's dry January, so I went ahead and got me some fake wine, a little mocktail wine, and it was actually pretty delicious. Like, I'm not even going to lie. It was actually kind of tasty. There I am jamming. Okay, one thing about me is I love this shot. I'm experimenting with angles and like getting more comfortable filming out in public, so I was very proud of this shot. It just looks cool. These are so pretty. Huh?
Is the friend?
My friend?
She's your friend?
Oh, the girl?
Yeah.
We're teachers. Yeah. She's my friend. These are so pretty. Thank you. So pretty.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, so like I said, I had to get my flowers. They know how to hook me up. They get me right every single time. Then I stopped to get some Cold Stone because like I said, I wanted something sweet. Waited for the Uber forever. They changed the system, so it takes a little bit longer for me to get home now. But here I am. I'm back, and I'm just unloading the groceries, and I'm about to meal prep. Now, I'm going to warn y'all, my camera died, so I didn't get to show y'all everything that I meal prepped because I really had intentions of doing that, but my camera died. But I promise I got y'all in the future showing y'all how I do my meal prep. But yeah, you'll see the rest of the night. Okay, so I was so upset about that little French roll chocolate thing. Like, I took 2 bites and I'm very glad that I got my Cold Stone ice cream because this was not it. And I typically don't like to waste food like that, but y'all, I threw that straight in the trash. Shout out to Cold Stone because that Cold Stone was delicious. Okay, and I told you I had to show you I got the little fake wine because I am doing dry January. And it is now January, what's today? January 21st. And baby, I haven't not had a lick of honey. Okay, so boom, the start of the meal prep. I think I've told y'all this before, but I love as a really good high protein snack cottage cheese and blueberries, but really cottage cheese and any fruit, but my favorite combo is cottage cheese and blueberries. Like, I could eat that all the time, I promise y'all. Oh, that wing was getting crispy. The way I was smacking on that chicken wing, okay, we just not gonna talk about it, y'all. We are not gonna talk about it. I wanted to just vlog, but honestly, I was just so tired, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover and not talking, because I just had to get through everything I had to get through, honey, because after being off of school for 3 weeks and you get ready to go back, you just be tired. So here I am cleaning up. I told y'all my camera had died, so I went to charge it so I could attempt to film the rest of the night. So this is me cleaning up. And then y'all, one of my favorite side dishes to make is maple bacon Brussels sprouts, especially for the holidays, but they're really good as just like a side in general. Y'all, these Brussels sprouts are so freaking good. And then I like to drizzle a little bit of extra maple syrup on top when they come out, because then it really seeps into them. Here you're about to see me smack on them again. Because baby, when I say I be in the kitchen, I be in the kitchen, honey. Look at it. Just can't even wait. Just burning the tongue. Go ahead, greedy. Ooh, here come the dance. Every time. Oh, hit it. Oh, ow. Ooh, yeah. That is not maple syrup running down my arm. That is water, because I was washing dishes a little bit before that. Okay, and like I said, gorgeous, gorgeous girls deserve flowers. Now, if you got a man or a boo in your life who brings you flowers, I love that for you. But if you don't, baby, get yourself some flowers, because you deserve. I give myself flowers every single week. Every week. I got my ones from this week sitting right up here, which you'll see in the next weekend vlog. And it's just one, it's nice to have in the house, and it's also just a way to show a little appreciation for yourself, show a little love to yourself. We don't always have to wait on people to appreciate us or to love on us. You are allowed to love on yourself. You're allowed to love on yourself out loud, however you see fit. So don't ever forget that. If it's getting flowers, if it's going to get you some new clothes, if it's going to take yourself out to the movies. I had a beautiful self date the other night. I made myself a nice steak dinner, and then I went to go see the Philharmonic Orchestra here, and it was beautiful. So in 2024, find more ways to love on yourself, whether that be in your house or outside your house, whether it be small or it be big. You deserve love from yourself, from people around you, genuine, honest, beautiful love. So that's my little spiel for the day. So I usually cut the flowers, but y'all, I was so tired. I said, I just want them in some water. So that's why they look kind of crazy. I did go back and cut them again. And then of course, it's time to do laundry, to fold it. Now, tell me below in the comments, are you a wash the laundry, immediately put it away person? Or are you a wash the laundry and then just let it sit? I feel like I'm a little bit of a combination of both. It just depends on my mood and what else I got going on. Because baby, when I tell you, sometimes that laundry will sit. Now what I've started doing is putting it on this couch in here, because this is my room where I sleep. And when I see it constantly in my face, that motivates me to hurry up and get it folded and get it done, because it irritates me when it's just sitting there. So let me know what you are below in the comments. Are you a wash and fold or a wash and wait? And now it's time to wind down. Y'all, look at that view. I love the floor that I live on. I never thought that I would love living on a high floor of an apartment or anything, but I love looking out into the city and being able to basically see all of Doha. It is wonderful. Here's me just lotion up. You got to keep the skin fresh and moisturized even when you're going to bed. Okay, another thing that I do, I probably started doing this like a year and a half ago, is putting perfume on even when I go to bed. I don't know, there's something just very like sensual and sexy and like loving about it that I really enjoy. So I don't know, some people might find it weird, but I saw someone do it and I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna smell good in my sheets. I'm gonna be smelling good in my dreams. Like, I love that. So if you don't do that, I highly suggest you start doing it. It just adds a little extra razzle dazzle to your nighttime routine. I love it. Okay, now I am slowly getting into my skincare girl era or skincare era, I guess. And I actually really love these little eye patches. I don't do too much. I do have a scrub, I have a face wash, and I have some moisturizers. Like, I'm not into all the other stuff yet. Maybe I'll get there. But for right now, the basics are doing me just fine. But I do like putting on these little eye patches before I go to bed. And here's me plating up the food. Y'all, one thing about Shani Sweeney is I'm going to cook the hell out of some food. Do you hear me? So every Saturday night, regardless if I'm going back to school or not, as part of my reset, I do cook myself like a really nice meal. Typically it's steak because I love steak, and anyone who knows me knows this, or if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen way too many steak pictures and videos from me. But lately I've been really on lamb chops. Like, look at these lamb chops.
The way I inhaled the lamb chop, disgusting. Like, I need to be locked away, throw away the key, because baby, did I breathe? They were so good. I'm not good. Now I'm just gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen and eat my cold stone and wait for my video to upload.
Okay, here I am doing the last little wipe down of the table, looking like somebody's tired ass auntie. Oh my god, it's very much giving auntie, but I'm here for it. I don't know why my dishwasher was acting like that. That's why I'm looking at it kind of crazy. And then, of course, you gotta set the mood, you gotta set the ambiance, you gotta set the vibes. So I lit myself a little candle, which I actually need to re-up on some of my candles. I got my flowers over there. I got my Cold Stone ice cream getting snugly into my bed. Yes, girl. I was just feeling very, very good that night. Like, very, very good. Currently, I'm watching Gossip Girl. I never watched it when everybody else watched it, like when we were in high school. So I'm watching right now, and child, it is just a lot of mess going on in there. A lot of mess. This Cold Stone ice cream was so good. Oh my god, I want to get some so bad right now. It was delicious. And then after a little while, I'm sitting, I'm thinking, and I was like, you know what, let me go take a peek out the window, because sometimes I do just stand and stare at the window. Like, it's just such a beautiful sight, and I feel very blessed to be in this position that I am, in this place that I am, and I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you on the next one.